In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the text font in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Theme tab, then select Change Fonts to open the typography settings. Choose the text category you want to customize, such as headings, paragraph text, buttons, or other website elements. Click the font setting for that category and choose a new font. You can also adjust the font size, style, color, line height, letter spacing, and other available options to match your website's design. Preview your website to make sure the new font looks the way you want across your pages. When you're satisfied with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to change the text font in Weebly. Thanks for watching.